ARM and thumb instruction set. We know that ARM can execute 32-bit ARM instruction set and 16-bit thumb instruction set. Here, one should note that how a program counter value is getting updated whenever an ARM instruction is fetched and whenever a thumb instruction is fetched. Because when a processor is executing a ARM instruction which is of 32-bit, the PC which holds the address of next instruction to be fetched is incremented by 4. And whenever a processor is executing thumb instruction set which is of 16-bit, the PC is incremented by 2. For 3-stage pipelining, fetching, decoding and executing, how a program counter is getting updated is shown here. The instructions are stored in a sequence in memory location, and the recently fetched instruction or the instruction currently pointed by the program counter will have the highest address, and the old instruction already fetched, decoded and executed will have the address value less than current instruction pointed by the PC. That is why here it is shown that PC next instruction to be fetched, PC -4 instruction currently being fetched, and PC -8 address of instruction is available in decode state, and PC -12 which is the address of the instruction which is in execution state. It is for ARM processor. The same case for thumb instruction also. Here the PC is changed by 2 every time. There are 3 types of ARM instructions: data processing instructions, data transfer instructions and control flow instructions. What is data processing instructions? It operates on values in register. The data transfer instructions moves value between the registers and the memory location, and the control flow instructions, it will change the value of the program counter. Data processing instructions. Here the operands are of 32-bit in size. It may be either the registers or the immediate value specified as a part of instruction. The result, if any, is also 32-bit in size and goes into the specified register. One exception is here. Long multiply generates 64-bit results. All operands and result registers are independently specified as a part of the instruction in data processing instructions. Next, in data processing instructions, we have arithmetic instructions: ADD, add, ADC, add with carry, SUB, subtract, SBC, subtract with carry, RSB, reverse subtract, RSC, reverse subtract with carry. ADD or not R1, R2. Here R0 is the destination register, R1 and R2 are the source registers. So the R0 value is uploaded with the contents of R1 and R2 register. So the contents of R2 and R1 register is added, and that result is loaded in R0 register. Similarly for ADC, SUB, SBC. RSB is reverse subtract. One may think, why we need a reverse subtract in ARM processor? There are cases flexibility of one operand is needed. Usually the second and third operand, that is the source operand, can be altered. That is, it can be multiplied with any other constant value or shifted by the shifter. From that manipulated value, the constant value of R1 is subtracted. For such operations, we are going for this reverse subtract and reverse carry. All operations can be viewed as either unsigned or 2's complement signed. Next, in data processing instructions, bitwise logical instruction. Some of the bitwise logical instructions are listed out here: AND, OR, XOR and BIC bit clear. AND, OR not, R1, R2. Here the OR0 register content is loaded with the contents of R1 ANDed with R2. So the contents of register R1 and R2 are ANDed, and that value is loaded in OR0 register. Similarly for OR and XOR operation. BIC is bit clear. So bit clear, BIC OR0 R1 R2. Here R0 is loaded with R1 and ANDed with NOT of R2. So each one bit in R2 clears the corresponding bit in R1. So the R0 is loaded with R1 and NOT of R2. All operations can be viewed as either unsigned or 2's complement size. Next, in data processing instruction, register to register move instruction. Here the contents of one register is moved to another register. Move R0 R2. Here the contents of R2 register is copied to R0. MVN stands for move negate. MVN R0 R2. Here R0 register is loaded with NOT of R2. Each one bit in R2 clears the corresponding bit in R0. Next, in data processing instructions, compare instructions. CMP compare, CMN compare negate, TST test, TEQ test equality. Compare R1 R2, that is here the R1 is subtracted from R2 and the result is loaded in the conditional code flags N, Z, C and B, that is negative, 0, carry and overflow flags is altered according to this instruction. These instructions do not do anything with the registers. So register contents is not altered. Only the conditional code's value is altered depending upon the result of this instruction. CMN compare negate, that is R2 is negated and then it is compared with R1. So R1 minus of minus R2, that is R1 plus R2. And TST test R1 R2, that is R1 register contents and R2 are ANDed. And depending upon the result, the conditional code's flag is altered. TEQ test equality R1 R2. Here R1 is XORed with R2 and depending upon the result, the conditional code flags in CPSR is altered. These instructions do not produce any result in any register or not. Next, in data processing instructions, specifying immediate operands, there is some examples given. ADD add R1, R2 and #2, SUB R3, R3 #1 and R6 R4 #0F. So add instruction here, it specifies that the register content of R1 is loaded with R2 plus R2, that is the immediate operand 2. Subtract R3, it is R3, here the source and destination register are same, R3 register. Here the R3 is loaded with the contents of R3 minus the immediate operand value 1. And R6 R4, it is to ampersand sign is to indicate your hexadecimal operation. Hash indicates immediate value and indicates hexadecimal notation. Allowed immediate values here in ARM is 0 to 255, that is only 8 bits. Can be rotated by any number of bits positions, that is multiple of 2. Then shifted register operands. And various shift and rotate instructions of ARM processor is listed out here. What are the various shift rotate instructions are? LSL, logical shift left, LSR, logical shift right, ROR, rotate right, RRX, rotate right extended by 1 bit, ASL, arithmetic shift left, ASR, arithmetic shift right. The second source operand may be shifted either by constant number of bit position or by a register specified number of bit position in shifted register operands. Here some two examples are given here. Add R1, R2, R3, LSL #3. It indicates that the R3 register is shifted left by 3 bit position, and then it is added with R2 and the value is stored in R1. Add R1, R2, R3, LSL R5. Here R5 is a register which is holding the content. That content is shifted 3-bit positions and it is added to, and the result is stored in R1. Here in this slide, the same shifting and rotating operations is explained in a graphical form, like how the left shift and right shift is carried out and how arithmetic shift